Hi everybody, it's Peg, and today Chelsea and I did a live demo doing some bunny art on Art Joy is Sharing. And so this is the fast version from that session. If you want to see the whole session, you can go over to Art Joy is Sharing and see both what Chelsea and I did on the live. Her bunny turned out really cute too. So I just went to Unsplash and got some reference photo material, and now I'm painting out the background using some Deco Art Media fluid acrylics, and I'm making a space for my bunny, and I'm showing you the brushes that I'd gotten from Dynasty Brushes. I'm really liking these brushes. They had sent me some free, and I'm trying to use them and see what I like and what I will share with you guys. So this is some tissue paper. I've just cut out a shape to start my bunny with in this craft colored tissue paper. And I'm going to glue that down using some gel medium. And I will begin my painting. And I like using these fluid acrylics for this type of work. They flow really nicely and blend easily. And I'm using kind of a dry brush technique to do this with today because I want to simulate the fur on the bunny. So there is a pattern on this tissue paper already, but I'm going to pretty much obliterate that by the time I get done. I'm just using the shape for the pattern on here and my dry brushing using some browns and greens and blues and yellows and white titanium buff. And just sketching in the eye and where the muzzle is on here. We'll get some whiskers on our bunny, get the ears going, and not a whole lot to say about this. I'm just painting. But if you enjoy this video and you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, sharing. It's going to help my channel grow and lets other people and YouTube know that what I create is of value to you. But it is spring, and I'm thinking about Easter and Easter bunnies and sharing and all the things that happen in the spring. I'm going to put a quote on this particular piece. The quote says, "If you find someone who makes you smile," and this definitely makes me smile because I love bunnies, "who checks up on you often to see if you're okay, who watches out for you and wants the very best for you, don't let them go. Keep them close and don't take them for granted." People like that are hard to find. And how true is that? You know, in this day and age and with what's going on in the world, we need to cherish those people that are so important in our lives. So I did all of this work on a piece of chipboard that was the backer off of something. It's a 6 by 12 piece of chipboard that I had gessoed, and that's basically it. So I'll give you some closing shots, and remember to stop by Art Joy is Sharing, join the group, and you'll see what everybody is making in their time at home right now. Stay safe, be kind, stay your distance, and love one another. Bye for now.